Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to review for you this magnet. As you can see, number 6 and this is from BangGood.com. Here's the item number, and I will also have a link down in the description bar for this. And there are other patterns there are other magnets that have different patterns, so you can create different designs, but this is one that I was the most interested in. Not that I did not expect it to create this design fully as it shows on the picture, but I am very curious as to how it might turn out to be. And it does say here, and I'm pointing out that it does come wrapped with this sticker that you must remove. And it does say that, of course, the closer you hold it to the nail and the longer, the better the effect will be. So here I am going to go ahead and remove this paper that is wrapped around the magnet. It was holding it to the wand. And I did notice, you will see here, the magnet itself was not glued or any way attached to the handle. So I went ahead and found another way to attach it so that I can work with it. And this is all I did was just take a piece of Scotch tape and double folded it and just placed it on the back of the magnet. And this actually became handy, and you will see later on, I will mention why this actually turned out in my favor. So yeah, I went ahead and just taped it to the wand. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with some clips so you can see how I went about working with this magnet, and then I will come back after the swatches and give you my final thoughts on this magnet. Okay guys, so here are the results of me playing with this magnet, as you can see. And I went ahead, it looked like, for some reason, I don't know what the mystery would be. It seems to work better at what I will say is probably the horizontal direction rather than the vertical direction. And yeah, since I had a chance to tape the magnet to its holder, I figure for me to use it for the nail tips, of course, it did not make a difference, but for comfort of me using it on myself, I went ahead and turned the magnet around itself on the folder so that I can take advantage of the fact that it has this little curve here for me to place it around my finger, and I can do this, and that gives it is comfortable. And also I will mention one thing that I saw myself doing, because the nails, these tips, just like your natural nail, they turn to curve from, you know, so you can see. So I will imagine this for lengthy nails or longer nails. It might cause a little bit of a problem there, but I will probably tend to, as you can see, the apex, high apex part of the nail, which is this, where you can have it the closest to the magnet, will be better. And then I was trying to do this with the tips, so yeah, to try to bring it just as close towards the top part of my nail, or the bottom part of my nail, whichever way you want to see it. But yeah, that's what I ended up doing. I went ahead and turned the magnet so that I can take advantage of this curved part right here of the wand. So yeah, as you can see, so that worked. These three worked better with the magnet holding it at an horizontal rather than up and down, which all it did is just created that line, which is kind of weird. I mean, why wouldn't it just create the same design but then turn the other way? It's kind of strange. But there you guys go. There you go, guys. It looks like it worked really well. I'm happy with this, so I'm glad I got it. It was one that I totally did not have at all. And yes, as you can tell, this is different. I mean, it's not going. I wouldn't have expected to make exactly this pattern, but definitely something different than what just this straight barb magnet would do. So I do like the fact that I have something else to play with here. I like this one the best. I think the properties of the polish themselves had a play on it as well. So yeah, I would like to thank BangGood for sending me this little magnet to play with and review. If you guys have any questions about it, please leave them below. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below, so you can go check them out. Very well priced, these little magnets, and you'll be able to see the many other designs that they have as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.